A head shave with Sphinx shaving soap coming up next. Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark with GeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video. Thanks very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. It's time for another evening head shave. This time around I'm going to use my late father's Gillette Track 2 razor handle. Now this was made by the Franklin Toiletry Company. I believe it was gold plated at one time. I think all that wore off, so that's what's left of it. But boy, it's still a nice shape, and it will take and use these Gillette Track 2 cartridges, which are double bladed. There's two blades there, which is why I'm using them. So all you do is just slide that in here like this. Well, kind of hard to do on camera. Let's try again. There we go. Slide on like that, and then pop it off. So there it is. It's on there. All right. So it's on there. I hope it doesn't move side to side too much. Looks like it's on there pretty good. So there we are right there. It's got a lubricating strip. And we are going to use Sphinx shaving soap Cintrange. I've already had a face shave with this in a previous video, and it is remarkable. I love it. I'm going to use my Phoenix shaving shave brush, the Atomic Rocket. I'm going to finish it up with Alum Block from Phoenix Shaving, and we're also going to use the aftershave. Cintrange aftershave, because this has a lot of great beneficial skin ingredients, a lot of good nutrients and botanicals and good stuff in here for the skin. And I used it upstairs after my first shave with the Cintrange shave soap, and boy, it just felt so great. I used it on top of my head. It just felt absolutely great. So that's what I'm going to use post-shave, because there's a lot of good stuff in there. Aloe vera juice and chamomile, a lot of other really, really good stuff. All right, so I have some hot water sitting on top of this puck. It's been soaking there for a good amount prior to my starting the video camera. So we're just going to dump that in there. We're going to wet the head and get to the shave. All right, let me get my brush here. Give it a good squeeze. Going to get a nice load here. This has got a really, really nice fresh scent. And again, you know what? You don't need a lot here. This shaving soap just loads so quickly. And I'm going to dip the tips in just a little bit to add some water to that brush load. And here we go. And it just explodes with lather. That's wonderful. That's fantastic. And I'm using a cartridge razor because I haven't used this this handle in a while. It was my father's birthday on the 15th of August, and you know, I missed doing a shave for him on that day, so I'm going to try to make up for it this time around. And I don't know who gave him this handle. I think he got it as a Christmas gift from somebody in the family. I'm not sure, a daughter-in-law or one of his sons, I don't know. But just do a little pumping like this to get a little air in there, and that helps create a little more lather. But I figured this would be a nice razor to use, nice handle to use. It doesn't pivot, so I'm going to have to alter the angle a little bit as I do my head shave. And with this shaving soap, I'm getting a lot of nice slickness, great protection, really great protection. Beautiful scent. Love the scent. Look how much is on there. Just fantastic. So, you know, maybe one or two passes is all I'm going to need here. I'm just going to heat this up a little bit under some hot water. Swirl it in the sink to bring it to the proper temperature. Now, ordinarily I would say 30 degrees of light touch. Let the razor do all the work, gentlemen, but that's already preset to the angle. So all I have to do is press and pull. And we're off to the races. Here it is. A handle that dates back to 1979, 1980 Still being used with a cartridge razor head being made today, and still giving me a great head shave. I have to adjust the angle again to make sure that those two blades are making contact and shaving. And they are. They feel like they are. And well, the lather seems to be getting out of the way fairly well. Lubricating strip is helping a little bit. But this shave cream, this is the real deal. This is really terrific shaving cream. Boy, that's really doing a nice job on the top of my head. The skin is a little thinner up there. Now I do have a little bit of irritation right in this area here from a previous shave, so I'm going to be kind of careful going over that. I'm going to kind of miss that area just a little bit. Whoops. Okay, we'll try to get that just a little bit there, just lightly. All right, that's the first pass done. Let's rinse. Okay, I'm going to need a second pass. So let's just go ahead and do that. Plenty of soap here. This Sphinx shaving soap from sphinxbeard.com. This is really terrific shaving soap. I'm a new fan. I really am. All right. Look, I mean, it didn't take many swirls and the terrific brush load, and I'm already getting enough for a second pass. Unbelievable. That's fantastic. All right, here's my razor again. Here we go. We're going to go from the back to the front here, starting in the back of the neck. Yeah, with this razor, I can make these longer pulls from the back of the neck all the way forward. And I can kind of find the angle and keep the angle when I'm doing that, which is kind of nice. Now, the pivoting cartridge, it's a little easier because obviously the blade is always in contact with the skin and it's pivoting. With this, I have to move the handle a little bit. I have to keep that angle, but it's doing a nice job. And again, here's that area where I had a little bit of irritation. That came about because I was experimenting with more aggressive razor, and it just didn't work out. I gotta stay on the milder end of the spectrum when it comes to shaving my head, but that's okay. A lot of nice, efficient, mild razors out there that do a terrific job in giving me a nice head shave. And this is doing a great job, this track too. It really is. And because it belonged to my dad, it's extra special. I guess I got razors. I got 3 razors that cover different eras of wet shaving. I've got my grandfather's old type, Gillette old type, an old 3-piece razor from the turn of the last century. That's got to be 100 years old. And then I have my father's Gillette Super Speed from the heyday of the safety razor, the 1950s. And then I have this from the late 1970s, early 1980s, when cartridge razors were being ushered in. So how about that? I got 3 different razors representing 3 different shaving periods in the history of shaving, which is kind of neat. So I'm just gonna feel over here, yeah, and see what I got. A little bit right here. Let me get the brush right here. I'm gonna do a little touch up. Right here is all I need. Just right here, just a little touch up. Back of my neck. Okay, I think that's got it. All right, second pass done, let's rinse. That's nice. That's a nice result. That really is. That's a nice, smooth result. Boy, the shaving soap did a great job. Really, really nice. The track too. This was nice. This did a great job. Nice and smooth. For my head shaves, a cartridge razor with three blades or less is where I'm at. Anything more than that, with a couple of exceptions, nah, too much. But for me, 3 blades or less is pretty much where I should be. And this is a good one. Okay? Okay. Okay, here are my 2 final rinses, one warm, one cold. Here's my warm water rinse. Okay, I'm going to move it over to the cold water side here, and this will close my pores. All right, here we go. Cold water rinse. All right, clean, fresh towel waiting for me right here. Ah, nice. All right, that's good. All right, let's get my alum block here. We're under some cold water. See what kind of feedback we get. That's nice and smooth. Very nice and smooth. No stinging, no zinging at all. Maybe a couple of little zings here and there. Nothing really to write home to. Nothing really to write home about. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Terrific. We're going to take this and just place it in the dry dock system like that, and let the air circulate around it, and it will it'll dry out on its own. All right, let's take a look at this brush here. Check this out again. Look at that. This shaving soap is marvelous. Absolutely wonderful. Let's clean this brush out. Probably not going to take a lot to clean it out. First time I used it with the Peregrino brush, it cleaned out so very easily. And I think the same is going to be true here with the Atomic Rocket. All right, just a little more like this. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Blotting and buffing. A little bottle blotting and buffing. Blotting and buffing. That's what we're looking at. Look at that. Ta-da! Isn't that fantastic? Look, that's great. That's really, really fantastic. Really, really terrific. Alrighty. Okay, so let's get a little of this for upstairs. This has got some alcohol in it, which is what I want also, but it's got some really good botanicals and other ingredients that are beneficial to the skin, and it really does have a moisturizing quality to it. Not only that, it's got this great scent to it, and again, it's not something that's hitting you over the head. It's just this really nice, lively, fragrant orange and lemon, but it's rather subtle, but it's also got a freshness to it. Just a little more because I like it so much. Oh yeah, you know I'm going to be using this stuff a lot. Great shave, great head shave, really, really terrific. Wow, I'm telling you, I am an absolute convert to this to this shave soap. SphinxBeard.com. This stuff is great. Cintrange. I really, really love this shaving soap. Makes a great lather like that. I mean, what a nice head shave. And what's nice also, it protected this little bit of irritation that I had up here from that previous shave. Oh, I don't know, several days ago with a razor that was a little more aggressive. But even this aftershave splash, I can feel the moisturizing qualities of it, and it also has a little bit of alcohol that probably just evaporates after it does its thing. And I said in the first time I had the shave that there was a brightness and energy emanating from my skin, and I can see it again on my scalp. There is just this brightness, this energy that I got a really nice, close, comfortable shave. Very, very comfortable. A lot of that, I think, is also the Track 2 cartridge with the lubricating strip. That helps. But the shave soap just gives me a wonderful lather, nice protection, really, really good glide. And it has some great, great ingredients, top shelf ingredients. So check it out. SphinxBeard.com. Sphinx shaving soap, Cintrange. This is terrific. I love the scent, love the aftershave. It's really, really fantastic. All right, thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Please share, please subscribe, please like. Hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below, let me know. Check out the Executive Shaving Company. Use the code MARK5. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this. I'm on Facebook. Check out my Facebook page. Check out Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements for some great, great shaving gear. Check out Amazon.com/shop/MarksRay. That's my product page where you'll find all the products that I review on this channel, organized and categorized. You can find everything in a snap very easily. Check out SphinxBeard.com. Check out their shaving soaps. Absolutely fantastic lather, great protection. The Cintrange is a wonderful, wonderful scent. Really, check them out. Thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you again real soon.